Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss a new lesson for 9th standard. The lesson number 4, polynomials. Dear students, you have studied algebraic expression in their addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in earlier classes. So you have studied how to factorize some algebraic expressions. In this chapter, we will start our study with a particular type of algebraic expressions called a polynomial and the terminology related to it, the polynomials and it terminate particular terminology it's related to it. We shall also study a remainder remainder theorem and a factor theorem. In their use of factorization of polynomials in addition to the above, we shall study some of the more algebraic identities and their use in the factorization and evaluating some given expressions. So let's we start here. First, we have to discuss the introduction of polynomials. Introduction of polynomials. Just we can recall some of the basics about algebraic expressions. First one is terms. For example, 2x, it is a term. 2x, it is we called as term. Example, it is 2x. Here, 2 is coefficient and x is variable. 2 is coefficient or number part. We called coefficient as a number part. We can use 0 to 9 single digit numbers. For x, we called as variable. For variables, we can write in any alphabetic small letters. Alphabetic small letter, that means A to Z. So the number, coefficient and variables combines to be called as a term. We combines to called as term. Here coefficient plus variable. Next, then what is polynomials? It is a chain of a terms. It is a chain of a terms. More than 3 or 4 terms we called as polynomials. So let's discuss. For example, here one example have 2x square plus 3x minus 3. It is a combination of one or more terms. So 3 is also be a, it called as a term. So 3x to the power 0, 3x to the power 0 we called as anything to the power 0, its value is 1. So it write as 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಪವರ್ 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಗೆ ಪವರ್ 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So it is a chain of terms. Let's discuss in deeply this polynomials. Before we are going to start polynomials, just recall that monomial, it's have a only one term. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಮೊನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Look the example 2x. 2x it's a single term. Binomial. Bi means 2. If you have two terms, we called as a binomial. 2x plus 5. Again trinomial we called as. If it is have a 3 terms, we called as trinomial. Then what is polynomial? If a algebraic expression more than 3 terms we called as polynomial. Next move on to degree of polynomials. Degree of polynomials. How we decide the degree of polynomials? By using highest power of a given algebraic expression. For example, 4x minus 3x square plus 5, it is then considered as polynomial. So what is the highest power of degree here? See 4x to the power 1, 3x to the power 2, 5, consider 5x to the power 0. Which is the highest degree? It is 3x square. It is 3x square. Then the degree of given algebraic expression is equal to, we can write 2. We can write this given algebraic expression degree is 2. That's we have write the degree of polynomials. The highest degree of power we called as polynomial. We can write this algebraic expression by higher power to the lower power. See, the 3x square power to the power 2 is the highest degree. So we can write with its sign. It have minus sign. Right, minus 3x square plus 4x plus 4x plus 5. So according to the degree of, okay, you can write here, according to the degree of polynomials, we can write as some of the, we can consider as some of the equations. That is, if it is power 1, if a degree of a algebraic expression power 1, we called as linear equation. Nodi, ax plus b, a, b, c, d, these are the degree of, these are the what we call variables, coefficients or variables we called. For example, ax power 1, the power 1, the highest power is 1. Such type of equations we called as linear equation or linear algebraic equation. Linear algebraic, we called as linear algebraic equation. If the power 2, the highest degree of power is 2, sorry, it's for x to the power 2, okay, we called as quadratic equations. If power 1, then the linear, power 2, it's called as quadratic equation. If it is power 3, we called as cubic equations. We called, if the highest power degree of power is 3, then we called as cubic equations. Students, let's we can discuss here again. ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಪವರ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ax ಪವರ್ 1, b x ಪವರ್ 0, 1 ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ 2 ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಇದ್ರೆ ಪವರ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ನೌ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ terms, coefficients and degree of, how to write degree of polynomials. According to degree of polynomials, how we differentiate the equations. So we can continue in the next class. Thank you.